One last time, dal. And because I love dal so much, I'm just gonna sip it. Look at this. It's another beautiful sunny day in Dhaka and like, just check this view out. How lucky am I? I'm so freaking grateful for life. It's been already such an incredible morning. Woke up at 5. You know how that works. Meditation, gym, everything already done. My breakfast is actually waiting for me, but I wanted to show this. Ugh. It's so freaking beautiful. And this is at least as beautiful as the view. Some dates, they look like olives. Tons of fruit, and I built my own sandwich, and yes, you can eat pineapple on a sandwich. So good. The food was really good, but I just saw something. Stuff I don't like. Check this out. I got my laundry bag. Plastic, another one, another one, another one. They even used like one big plastic bag for one sock. You kidding? So, dear Raintree Hotel, if you watch this, stop using so much plastic. Or like in general, it's not only this hotel, it's like, I don't know, we have a plastic problem to solve, and we're not gonna solve this problem by using so much plastic. Like, I mean, if you want to use plastic, don't use plastic. It's actually my fault, I should tell them. But I will also talk to the manager because that's stuff I don't like. And if, yeah, probably he would think, oh, why is he complaining? Are you kidding me? No, it's also destroyed. I asked them to not put it into the dryer. Am I complaining the whole time? I just went to the manager, I talked to him. He said, I'm really, really sorry. We're gonna pay for it. And that's okay. Stuff happens. He asked me like, how much do you want for this? I don't know, how much do you charge for a boxer short? I would suggest if they stop using plastic or at least reduce it, then they don't have to pay. Otherwise, $1,000. No, I will suggest $1,000. I just want to see his reaction. It's like a special boxer shorts. The Pope wore it, and Mr. Hummus. What's up, schmunkies? 7 hours later, had a couple of interviews in this hotel here, and now he just invited me for a pizza. How amazing! Thank you, brother. That's what friends are for, right? Pizza! We are the worst tourists ever. We come to Bangladesh, the place where you get the best food, and then we eat pizza. Shame on me. And you already know the place. I'm such a weirdo. I love certainty, so if I want to know that this place is good, I always go to the same place. In Bali, I have the same gym every single day, same laundry, same restaurant, even my fruit dealer. Every single time, the same. And I don't change my cameraman. Always the same.
In the same place.
That's what I just explained. So June, coloring beard is not religious thing, so you can go ahead and color it. So, first of all, thanks for your love, but I'm really curious about the beard thing. And we only have like 20 minutes left. 20 minutes, 10 hours. Autofocus, autofocus. Hey, hey. Are you going to color your beard?
No, I have to work.
It would look so funny if I would have an orange beard.
Do it.
But no, I said if the video, if the vlog gets 10,000 likes and 10,000 views, let's check it. It's not 10,000 views, I would know that. Sorry, next time guys. Where's the pizza? Pizza? By the way, you asked me for the name of the pizza place. Doesn't stand here, but it's called Pizza.
Pizza guy. Pizza guy.
Pizza guy. Yes. Oh, that looks so good, and the tomato sauce. But this place is unvloggable because of the music. I only have like 10 seconds, otherwise they will.
Do you need mayonnaise? Huh?
Hummus. Can I have some hummus,
okay.
please? My daily doses of love. Nuts everywhere. 1 kg of nuts, please, and 200 kg of hummus. Okay? There is a magical move in magical. He got it. There is a magical move. Whenever you come to Dhaka and you want to cross the street, you just use your arm. You just do this, and everyone stops. It's so funny. Like they're like on their rickshaws, and you just do. And everyone is just standing still. I love that. But does that work with them? I don't think so. How does that happen? He just crossed the street. Alright. Pizza was great as always. I love this place. June is trying to find some presents. I have to do it as well, but I have a call in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go home. And then I also have to get some presents for my family. And all the schmunkies know. Watch my Bali vlogs, you will love them. All the people from Bangladesh, all the people who haven't watched my Bali vlogs, you better watch my Bali vlogs. Then you know who Mr. Schmunky is. Then you know what a schmunky is. Like, aren't you confused when I talk about schmunkies? Wait. I thought this tree's on sale. Flats for toilet? What? What? Flat for... Ah, I thought... toilet. 5 hours later. Oh, I can't get tired of it. Let's dive right into that. The last time. Okay guys, I don't like to make fun of people, right? But this is just insanity. Look at this. He is walking on this rooftop for almost 10 minutes. I had a call, I swear, every single second. I love him. I'm not making fun of him. I just appreciate that he's walking the whole time. He doesn't move. I mean, he does move. He actually moves a lot. But he's just... That's so cool. I would love to have a rooftop and like a gym. Like pull-ups, squats over there. Guys, this is a never-ending story. I could actually get a time-lapse here. Just of him walking. He doesn't stop.
2 hours later.
Never giving up. I hope he's on YouTube. Yes, time for paratha. Oh, I miss it so much. Oh no, it's not paratha. That's like... Yeah, I agree on that. Can I have 5 paratha? 4 paratha. 4 paratha? Or is that not paratha? That's paratha, isn't it? Paratha? Yeah, paratha. Paratha unana. 4 paratha, 1 dal. 60 taka. Is that a lot? I don't know. No, that's nothing. It's 60 cents for it. So much paratha. It's incredible. Unlimited paratha. I think I will take 5 more for the flight tomorrow. Should I? Shouldn't I? Yeah, stuff I do like. No plastic. So everything is just like you take it. Stuff I like. But plastic. Stuff I don't like. Thank you. I still don't like, or not that I don't like it, I want to change. What are you trying to sell? Stickers? I don't like stickers, but I like that you I appreciate your hustle. So I hope I have some money left. What I wanted to share is that it should be like people are posting pictures of them with their like fancy car and everything. But if you share that you donated something or that you made someone a gift, it's bad. we should share more kindness. Like, that's something incredible. Like, I don't do it because I need your confirmation for my self-confidence. I just want that more people share, so the next time you see someone who asks for money, or like I just gave her peanuts, like literally peanuts, the food peanuts. I rather give someone food than money, because then I'm kind of in control of what's happening with the money. You never know, but anyways, you got the point. Yeah, so give more. And I need more paratha, I need more food, and I need a gift. And I guess you have some opportunities here. Okay. I'm looking for, I don't even know, like something traditional. I don't know. But actually in our family, we don't, like, for example, Christmas at our home is not about presents. We love each other. That's the biggest present you can make. And yeah, I'm preaching. Do you remember the magical hand? You see? It works! It's crazy! A little bit too late, but check it out. You just go this way and you just keep walking. Can I survive here? And I'm also hungry, and I have the bag full of food. But I have to be disciplined. That's the food for tomorrow. I have to find another food for today. My flight is at 4 a.m. 6 a.m. I have to wake up at 3:30, leave the place at 4. My strategy actually all the time is to come super late, so that they can't. Sometimes you have like luggage control, things of that nature, and if you are late, people usually, okay, just go. So always be on time so that I can be late, okay? But I'm not gonna leave Bangladesh without the pockets full of peanuts. Can I have 3 kg of peanuts? Does that mean yes? I don't think so. I bought some bananas. That should be more than enough. After a while I was just like, why am I even doing this? Then I have to buy for everyone, and like, I'm just, you know what will be my gift? What my gift will be? My smile. That's more than enough. Like, they know that everyone in my family knows that I love them, and I don't have to bring anyone presents in order to prove that. And my family is so huge, it would take me 700 hours. I also, like, in my opinion, Christmas, most of you don't celebrate it, but let me survive for a second. Is that even possible? Christmas shouldn't be about presents. Like, I would love to spend Christmas without any presents, just sitting together. That's what I did last Christmas. You can watch it on my Sri Lanka vlog. Just being there with family, love, have food. That's it. No presents. If you want to make someone a present, make it on a random day. If you want to do it on Christmas, I don't judge you. Like, do whatever makes your soul happy. I just think like spending trillions of money for things you actually don't need doesn't make any sense. In my opinion, for me. For you, if it makes you happy, do it. I'm not your father. Even if I would be your father, do whatever makes yourself happy. Dhaka, Bangladesh, thanks a lot for having me. Thanks for being so kind. I actually had a conversation with a police officer here like 1 hour ago, and I told him, like, just thank you for this country, thank you for being so kind, thank you for teaching me a lot. Like, places like Bangladesh give me perspective about happiness, about kindness, about gratitude. Like, people don't realize that you can die on the street. Give me a sec. People don't realize that you don't need stuff in order to be happy. And people here, they remind me all the time, like every single day when I step on the street and I have this in front of me. that you don't need stuff in order to be happy. So just be happy. In Bangladesh, you definitely make me happy. You treat me well. If you think of going to Bangladesh, go. Come, you will love it. Yeah, that's it. Kind of makes me sad. That's the last vlog. But I will keep vlogging, so if you want to follow me on my life is crazy. My life is just crazy. I'm gonna be in the UK and then Germany and then Bali at some point probably, but you never know. Long story short, thanks for having me. Thanks for being amazing. Thanks for being so kind. I really appreciate you and thank you for everything. One last time, dal. And because I love dal so much, I'm just gonna sip it. It's the spiciest dal I ever had in my life. But that's the last dal and I have some paratha left. The problem is I couldn't wait anymore, so I already started eating the paratha. So thanks for watching. Thanks for being amazing, Bangladesh. That was it. It was 3 weeks in Bangladesh. I went like this. It was a beautiful trip. It was a beautiful experience. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate you. I'll be back. Arnold Schwarzenegger will end this vlog. Arnold, please tell the people.
I'll be back.